The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
And yet, God Almighty said to tell them to deliver the message to the right honorable and the holiness, and tell them, say, he's not under the order of Christ. He's no longer under the order of Christ. He's under the order of Illuminati. Illuminati with Baphomet. Baphomet sit down, so. God has shown me him say sit down, so. He had to look at hand. Lord Jesus. God said, we are going to shake. We are going to shake Jamaica. 7.6. 7.6 magnitude. Lord Jesus, are we? It's a right polygon. 7.6 magnitude earthquake. God said, I'm going to shake violently. Oh, hallelujah. God said, warn them for me. Warn them for me. Because I am about to act. The slaying, the slaughtering of my babies. They have turned to my babies now. My babies. As they suffer the little children. Why? Why, Jesus? Oh! I say suffer the little children to come unto me and forbid them not. For such is the kingdom of God. And they are now turning to my babies to slaughter them. Lord Jesus, he says some of the babies will die. Some of the babies will die. He says some of them will start to vomit. Some of them, Lord Jesus, will be paralyzed. Some of them will start to defecate and cannot stop. He says some of the babies will be peeing on themselves and can't stop. Lord Jesus, whoa, God said you ever walk up to my Jamaica.
Alright, my people, Dancehall, skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. I just presented to you a video that shows a person prophesying some things that she said are going to happen within the country of Jamaica. And the person also mentioned the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. Now, when it comes on to the earthquake part, that's the part that worries me a lot. You see me? I say, not that other things that the person said don't really have me thinking, but that part worries me, you know, because I don't want an earthquake hit Jamaica. And it's not the first time you hear someone prophesy that earthquake is going to hit Jamaica and all them things. You see me? Natural disaster is something for joke with, and me not really and truly want that kind of thing to happen to the country of Jamaica. Not that me not care about the world, but we are talking about Jamaica. You know, me can't talk about the world right now. You see me? It's just that this video have me thinking. Alright? So I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear the things that the person said. You can let me know what you think. Alright? Alright, so I have more things I want to talk to you about, but before I get into any details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and to click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video, and it would be much appreciated. Alright? Alright, so we say about two pieces of videos that shows a musician who goes by the name of Ayaktiel at a place that is known as Riverton city that is within the country of Jamaica. You understand? Now my people, I respect Ayaktiel for highlight things what are going on within Riverton city. See me? Yeah, I mean, things where me and you might throw away and call it garbage. People within Riverton city find use of that. I mean, I say everybody, you know. No, I mean, I say everybody within Riverton city find use for things that people might call garbage, but you have some people. Now, I say them using those things is a good thing, you know. See? But the point that me I try to point out is that people find use for those things, and maybe they did those things because of poverty. Maybe a poverty make them do those things. You see, me can say yes, a poverty because I don't know a man life, or a man lifestyle or so forth. You see me I say, and the reason why I say it's a good thing why them use those things, or it's a good thing that them use those things, is because garbage is something that can sick you. The germs and the bacteria and all them things. You see me I say? If you ever see some of the things them where people in Riverton city take out of the garbage or take out of the dump of Riverton city and use. You see me? This is something I know for a fact. This is something I see with my own two eye ball, because I go over there already. Not one, not two, not three times. Repeatedly I go over Riverton city. When you look, you see some birds just a circle along, so you see me I say some people might call some of them birds the John Crow, and then you have one was, I don't show them call what. Listen, it's not like me, some of my scientists I know bird name just like that. But me I tell you, see, and it's not like I like say about a dozen bird array. A swarm me see when me go over there. See me, people wouldn't understand. You see me, until some people experience and see for themselves, they wouldn't understand. You see, but you know, really and truly, me respect Ayactian for highlight certain things what go on when it comes on to Riverton City. You see, I want to big him up for that. You understand? So, you can let me know anything, my people. See, because I'm not going to explain certain things. And I really, when it comes to Riverton City, I'm not going to explain certain things. So, big up the people in the Riverton City, big up Ayactian. Alright, so, I saw a picture circulating on social media that shows L.A. Lewis. And some places on social media, some comments have been made about the picture that gave me the understanding that L.A. Lewis got medical treatment. Now, I do not know why. I don't know exactly when, but the picture that I saw had been posted on a L.A. Lewis Instagram page sometime within the month of August the year 2021. Now the reason why I said L.A. Lewis page is because I see more than one L.A. Lewis page. So me I say, yeah, I say L.A. Lewis something other than I say L.A. Lewis another name and so forth. So for specific reasons, I say L.A. Lewis Instagram page or L.A. Lewis page. You understand? On social media. You see the thing is though, my people, if L.A. Lewis really and truly sick certain ways, I'm going to go say I'm alright. Because I don't wish bad for nobody, you know. I don't want nothing bad happen to no one. See? So, L.A. Lewis, big up yourself, and if you're ill, or if you're going through medical treatment, I'm going to say everything alright for you and everything work out well. You see me? So, big up yourself, L.A. Lewis. Anyway then, and the picture that I saw had been posted on the Instagram page with some text. Yeah, I see some text. You know, I can't really pronunciate some of those things that had been text or so forth. It's a bit I say, but you know, big up L.A. Lewis, big up L.A. Lewis, big up L.A. Lewis. Alright, so I'm going to move on to a video. Now I'm going to present to you a video that shows some things that happened when members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force went to a premises that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, someone shown in the video said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that the person repeatedly asked those members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force to leave his property. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to why those police officers went to that place that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't know when the video will be recorded, but however, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. I will tell you what I think also about some of the things that have been shown and said in the video, alright? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Who you come here this morning? I'm my property. I'm your video. Me make a video. Because you come in on my property. You have not properly attire. What is your name? You don't have a badge number for me know who you is. You don't have a hat. You don't properly attire for talking to me on my property. I'm here asking you now to leave my property. Right? Alright. I have not been to the station. A policeman come here this morning. Right?
Alright, the gentleman came to the station and reported that he's in needing care. So we'll come here if he asks, you know, if we'll make him have him care. Simple. You have not been to the station.
Right.
Well, you need to go to the station. But in the interim, let him have him care. Simple.
I am asking you to come off my property. Please leave off my property. Right? You have to take a report from me. You have a complaint from me. Huh? And you're going to tell me that nothing make any sense. You know, budge on my property without, ask for entry to be on my property. This is a private property. So I'm asking you to leave off my property. Leave off my property. You don't have, I'm asking you to leave off my property. If you don't ever know who me is, I am the only Jamaican. Andrew Rashford, Google it. To sue the Commissioner of Police and the Attorney General, that was Patrick Atkinson at the time. Not Inspector Atkinson, Patrick Atkinson at the time as the Attorney General. And one police corporal in the Supreme Court of Judicature of Jamaica, and to won the case without legal assistance. I am the only person to do that. Right? So if you don't have valid reason to be on my property, I'm asking you to leave my property. Right? Right? That gentleman is from Montego Bay. And he been working with me here. Right? And him travel with me to the beach. Him have the access to my car. Him have the key, have my car key. Right? And he's the only person to my car. And over 70,000 been stolen out of my car. I had called the police this morning. The police come here, spoke with me. And after they spoke with me, they told me to go to the station, lodge a report. After I lodge that report, before they will in a position to do any salary investigation and to take anything further. And you guys gonna launch into my property and come now, come in my property. And when you come in our property, you know, come in our property, you don't have a warrant to come on property to come search anything, you have a court.
You hear the man say? You hear what the man say about Sue? You hear who him saying so? Wow. Now my point of view, that sound like some form of warning. You know what I mean? Yeah, it sounds so to me, I say it is a warning, you know, but it sounds so to me. And I real though, those police officers shown in that video seems somewhat calm, you know. I don't see them moving aggressive in any way, you see me? And according to some things that one of the person we can hear talking in the video said, I got the understanding that that person said that money had been stolen from his motor vehicle. You see? Yeah. Yeah, the person said something that gave me the understanding that he said that money had been stolen from his motor vehicle. Alright, well, my people, look, I just saw me stay now. Me dancehall skill, I'm just there to make you know what when it comes on to social media and, you know, in a real life itself and all them things. You see me? So you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. You know, you can let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about. Alright, so big up and respect, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.